light. All aboard the whistle blows, the icy peaks where magic grows. New adventures to be spread, leaving worries far behind instead. Miami to Alaska Express, ride this amazing journey line. Laugh through every single sign. Cats and rabbits share the ride. This wild express feels so divine. Aesthetic breakfast, morning light through window panes, a joyful sight. Long ears drift, a furry friend, distractions charming never end. TikTok isle, a trendy move, train bumps remix in the groove. Green fields fade to silver white, first time seeing snow's delight. Bunny licks the icy pane, testing winter through the train. Chicago station marble gleam, Jenny's posing like a fashion dream. Slipping then rising with a flare, ignoring every single stare. Miami to Alaska Express, ride this amazing journey line. Laugh through every single sign. Cats and rabbits share the ride. This wild express feels so divine. Glacier views, the world feels small. Mountains grand, answer nature's call. Breathless silence fills the air, a stunning beauty beyond compare. Frozen glass, a chilly spell. Bunny stuck, a comic tale. Seattle rain, warm coffees cheer. Triple espresso, banishing all fear. Northern lights begin to flow. Jenny smiles, watching colors glow. Sky records, a magic view. Every moment fresh and new. Backward smiles against the night, filling hearts with pure delight. Miami to Alaska Express, ride this amazing journey line. Laugh through every single sign. Cats and rabbits share the ride. This wild express feels so divine. Miami to Alaska Express, ride this amazing journey line. Laugh through every single sign. Cats and rabbits share the ride. This wild express feels so divine. Aesthetic breakfast, morning light through window panes, a joyful sight. Long ears drift, a furry friend.
Hope you had fun with Alfie Meow Diaries. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell, and share. Exciting new content is coming soon.